What is LIBOR? London Interbank Offer Rate. It is the global reference rate for unsecured short-term borrowing in the interbank market. It acts as a benchmark for short-term interest rates. It is used for pricing of interest rate swap, cross-currency swap, as well as mortgages. It is an indicator of the health of the financial system and provides an idea of the trajectory of impending policy rates of the central banks. ICE benchmark, the administrator of LIBOR, announced on November 30, 2020 that it intends to consult on a proposal to continue publishing overnight 1, 3, 6 and 12-month USD LIBOR until June 30, 2023. After 2023 June 30, LIBOR is no longer be published as SOFR is already replaced the LIBOR. Let's understand what is SOFR, which has replaced LIBOR in last few years. SOFR, Secured Overnight Financing Rate, is based on a transaction in treasury repurchase market and is seen as more preferable to LIBOR since it's based on data from the observable transactions rather than just on the estimated borrowing cost. Why SOFR is preferred over LIBOR? As SOFR is based on actual observed transaction in the US treasury market, while LIBOR was increasingly calculated based on a panel bank judgments according to their borrowing cost. It also carries the risk-free interest rate as depends upon the overnight treasury transaction, whereas LIBOR only carries credit risk of taking a loan from a bank. How many of you knew that SOFR has replaced LIBOR in past few years?